Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm out on the River Ouse having a little paddle, and it strikes me one of the things I've never, in all my time watching kayaking videos on YouTube, one thing I've never heard anybody talking about is river rules. And if you're a newbie, then it might be quite useful to know this. So I am currently paddling on the left hand side of the river. There's a reason for that. I've just scooted across here to check something out. But that's not where you should paddle. When you're on a canal or a river in the UK, you need to be on the right hand side. It's opposite to UK roads. So I'll just kind of head over there now. Now that's not to say that in a kayak you can't potter about and go and check things out like I've just done. You just have to be aware that if river traffic comes, especially motorised traffic, in your direction, they will expect you to be on their left. You get that? So you need to be on the right hand side of the river. Now, where doesn't that apply? Can you work it out? There are rivers that doesn't apply on. Have you got it? It doesn't apply. I mean, technically it does, but it doesn't apply really where there are no motorised boats, because some rivers are unnavigable by motorised boat. So basically you can play about to your heart's content on those because you're not going to encounter any traffic that's going to be a danger to you. So the whole idea of the river rules is for where, like on here, you've got the chance of meeting motorised boats, you stay on the right, and the idea is to keep you safe. And so that they know where you are, you know where they are. I have actually had in one video a boat come straight towards me on my side of the river. What's this dickhead doing? He's moved right over to the right hand side and he should be on the other side. Get over, you clown. So I was paddling on the right and he came straight towards me on the right. I think it was a hire boat. This fool was heading right towards me. Probably don't even know river rules. Just moved across. Looks like a tour boat, doesn't it? Hire boat. Just something else you might need to be aware of on occasion, especially like here on the River Ouse, where there are hire boats that go out. And cards on the table, they're often a bit of a law unto themselves. But for your own safety, the river rule is stay on the right. By the way, when I say stay on the right, I don't mean you have to kind of literally hug the bank, because I'm on the right hand side of here now. You get the idea? But I can move over there quickly if 2 or 3 boats came. If you found that useful, let me know in the comments. You take care of yourself and thanks for watching. Cheerio.